Both the ID.6 X and the ID.6 CROZZ are, of course, true Volkswagen models. They are based on the best ideas of our designers and engineers in Germany and here in China to create a smooth, relaxed ride, comfortable and safe.
The ride is very relaxed. We live in a busy and noisy world. But sometimes you need a calm place to clear your head and feed your soul. Driving the ID.6 is like traveling in a capsule of tranquility.
In addition to the quiet electric drive, we have soundproofed the ID.6 in many innovative ways. It has special acoustic glass and perfect body and floor insulation. So after a long day of work, you just enjoy the massage seats and a relaxed, quiet drive with the augmented reality head-up display. Everything very peaceful and more intuitive than ever before. Here's what's underneath Volkswagen's groundbreaking all-electric MEB architecture. It offers an emission-free range of over 580 kilometers and what's more, new levels of acoustic comfort.
Quiet moments are okay, but to feel really alive, I need action. As much as I love the cool technology and the dynamic ride of a low center of gravity, I also love the natural flowing shapes and design of the car. My Italian friends refer to it as grandezza, meaning style and natural supremacy. You can go anywhere in this car, from the skate park to the red carpet.
The ID.6 is built and designed for all types of terrain and all environments. As it has to be a true Volkswagen, we carried out more than 2,500 different tests, including over 300 special safety tests. And we built more than 800 test vehicles, and they were driven over 6 million kilometers.
I'm totally into this idea of a lounge on wheels. I love this feeling of roominess and the panoramic glass roof. It helps you feel connected. If it gets too cold to think, you simply ask the car to warm up. Hello, Volkswagen. I'm a bit cold. Awesome. Being connected to the rest of the world, it can tell you where to charge or eat. It feels like a smart companion wherever I go.
It is a smart companion, like us all. This car is always online, plus it will always be up to date with updates and new functions received over the air. It can also offer safe hand when needed, for example. With Travel Assist, our intelligent 360-degree driver assistant pack for a relaxed, semi-automated driving. The electric motors deliver full torque from the start, and the dampers are perfectly fine-tuned for every driving scenario. In fact, all this technology is perfectly fine-tuned, because, after all, it is a true Volkswagen. Our ID.6 is based on our global MEB receipt, but exclusively tailored for Chinese taste. Well, actually, two tastes. Let's take a closer look at these two models and the worlds they live in. Today's journey has come to an end. It just goes to show how different worlds can come together so well. Now it's your turn to discover so much more with the new ID.6. You can check out our ID Hub for more information. I'm looking forward to seeing you in your ID.6. But for now, thanks for watching.